Hi, welcome to Vidyanagar online class. We were studying simple equations, and the previous class we studied how to solve different types of equations. And today we are dealing with some word problems, that is puzzles. It's very interesting exercise. You might have seen puzzles in competitive exams and everywhere where you see it solved. Questions like the age of father is twice of son. Then if son is 10 years old, what will be the age of father? That type of questions when come, you can use the form a simple equation and solve it. Once you finish this exercise, you will be able to solve any puzzle anywhere. Okay. Exercise 4.4, first question. Set up equations and solve them. So here, the first question is, add 4 to 8 times a number, you will get 60. See, when this type of questions comes, you will have to find a solution for this. So, whichever value you have to find, first you will give the variable for that. See, in this question, add 4 to 8 times a number, you will get 60. So, you have to find this number. That number you have to find. So, first you take that number as any variable. So, I am going to take it as x. Let the number be x. Now what is next? Add 4 to 8 times a number. 8 times a number means 8 times x. 8x. Add 4 to that plus 4. 8 times a number plus 4. Add 4 to 8 times a number. So, I have written like 8x plus 4. You get 60. You will get 60. What is that number? You will have to find that number. So, here you know, you formed an equation there. And you know how to solve that equation. How will you solve this? 8x equal to plus 4 go to other side. Become minus 4. 60 minus 4, that is 56. So, 8x equals 56. X equal to 56 by 8, that is 7. Second question, 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. So here 1/5 of a number. So what will you say? Let the number be x. What is the condition? 1/5 of the number, that is 1/5 means 1 by 5. Of x you know, when of comes it is into, so 1 by 5 into x, minus 4 gives equal to what? 3. So you formed the equation there. 1 into x is x, so x by 5 minus 4 equal to 3. Now you have to solve the equation. So here x by 5 equal to 3 plus 4, that is 7. So x equals 5 into 7, that is 35. Now next, E. Munna subtract thrice the number of notebooks he has from 50. He finds the result to be 8. So what do I have to find here? He subtracts thrice the number of notebooks. That number of notebooks you have to find. So, what will you take? Let the number of notebook be x. So, you took the number of notebook as x. And what is the conditions given? He subtract thrice the number of notebook from what? From 50. Thrice the number of notebook means 3x. From what is subtracted? Is subtracted from 50. From 50 means you have to write 50 first. 50 minus 3x. Thrice the number of notebook. He get the result to be 8. That is 50 minus 3x is 8. Now solve the equation. Minus 3x equal to 8. 50 goes other side, become minus 50. So the answer is 8. 50 minus 8 is minus 42. So x will be minus 42 by minus 3. That is 40. So the number of notebook will be 40. And next one, Ibehel thinks of a number. She thought of a number. If she add 19 to it, she added 19 to it and divides the sum by 5, she will get 8. You have to find that number which she thought. So how will you find? Let the number be x. Then what she did? She thought of a number. We took it as x. If she adds 19, she added 19 to that number. X plus 19 she did. And divides the sum by 5. This sum she divided by 5. She will get 8. She got 8. Then what is the number? So you formed an equation. Now you can solve it. Take plus this, divide by 5 to other side. So what will it become? Division go to other side, become multiplication. 8 into 5. That is 40. Then x equal to 40 minus 19. What is 40 minus 19? 21. Now second question, solve the following. The teacher tells the class that highest mark obtained by a student in the class is twice the lowest mark plus 7. The highest score is 87. What is the lowest score? So here, first you see what you have to find there. What is the lowest score? You want to find the lowest score. So, first step take, let the lowest score be x. Now you see step by step what are the conditions given. What did the teacher tell? The highest score obtained by a student in the class is twice the lowest mark. Twice the lowest mark means 2 times x plus 7. Plus 7. This is the highest mark scored. 2 times the lowest mark plus 7. And the highest mark is given there, 87. So, it is equal to 87. Now, next, solve it. Plus 7 go to other side, become minus 7. That is 80. 2x equal to 80 means x equals 80 by 2. That is 40. So, the lowest mark will be 40. Now, next question B. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. That you know. Isosceles triangle means two sides will be equal, isn't it? So they are given the base angles are equal. These are the base angles. This is the base. So these are the base angles. They are equal, both are same. And the vertex angle is 40 degrees. This is the vertex angle, that is 40 degrees. What are the base angles of the triangle? You have to find these two. And what is the given there clue? Sum of the angles of the triangle is 180. You know, when you add the three angles of any triangle, it will be 180 degree. So you can take this one. You have to find these two, no? Take it as x. If this is x, this also will be x, isn't it? Both are same. So how will you solve that? You know that when you add these three, you will get 180. X plus 40 equal to 180 degrees. Then x plus x, it is 2x. 2x plus 40 equal to 180. Then 2x equals plus 40 go to other side, become minus 40. That is 140. 2x equal to 140. Then x will be 140 by 2. That is 70 degrees. Both the angle will be 70 degrees. Question C. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. That means whatever run Rahul scored, twice of that was scored by Sachin. Together their runs fell too short of a double century. How many runs did each score? So here, first we can take let the score of Rahul be x. Then what is Sachin's score? Sachin is twice of that. So Sachin will be 2x. Now what they given? Together they runs. That means together means when you add these two runs, you will get 2 short of a double century. What is a double century? Double century is 200, isn't it? 2 short of that. That is 2 minus 2, that is 198. So when you add these two, you will get 198. Now you solve it. X plus 2x, it is 3x. So x equals 198 by 3, that is 66. X is the score by Rahul. Rahul got 66 runs. Then what will be Sachin's score? Twice of that, 2 into 66, that is 132 runs. The third question. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Parmit have. Irfan has 35 marbles. How many marbles does Parmit have? So, here you have to find the number of marbles Parmit has. So, take it as x. It doesn't necessary that you always take it as x. You can take any variable. Let the number of marbles with Parmit be x. Now what is given? Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble Parmit have. 7 more than, that is plus 7. More than what? 5 times the marble Parmit have. 5 times means 5 times 5x plus 7 equals what? Irfan has 37 marbles equals 37. So 5x equals 37 minus 7, that is 30. Then x equals 30 by 5, that is 6 marbles. Parmit has 6 marbles. So third question. People of Sundargram planted trees in a village garden. The number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. What was the number of fruit trees planted if the number of non-fruit trees planted was 77? So here what you have to find? We have to find the number of fruit trees. So let it be, let the number of fruit trees be x. Then what is given there? The number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than, 2 more means plus 2. Then what? 3 times the number of fruit trees. 3 times the number of fruit trees means 3x plus 2 equal to what? How many trees were there? If the number of non-fruit trees are 77. It is 77. So 3x equals 77. Minus 2 goes to other side become, plus 2 goes to other side become minus 2. So it will be 75. 3x equal to 75. So x equals 75 by 3, that is 25 trees. There were 25 fruit trees. So this chapter is over. You do all the problems which I have done here and then do the homework and send it to me. Okay. Thank you.